Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make this orange delicious cake together. Let's get into the video. So I have my bowl, so I'm just putting the egg. I use 2 eggs for this recipe. The next thing, I will add sugar. All the ingredients will be notes on the description box below. So when I mix together, the next thing, I'm going to add my oil. So now I'm adding my oil on the bowl also. I will just keep on mixing. This is my milk. I add my milk also. So I'm going to mix everything together. When I'm done with that, so I'm going to stick my flour now. So I'm just pour my flour on it. I put baking powder also. This is my vanilla sugar. So I put vanilla sugar on this recipe. I just stick everything together. When I'm done with that, I will just mix it together also. So keep on watching and see what I'm doing on the video. So now I'm going to add my fresh orange juice into the bowl also. So I just mix everything together to be well combined. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate. It means you are enjoying the video. Of course, why not? I know you are enjoying it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. Let's continue, guys. So I am done with the mixing. So I'm just putting butter on the pan to be very easy to remove where the cake is already done. So when I finish with that, I will pour my cake in. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm just pouring my cake into the pan. So I'm going to bake this cake for 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. No, now I already pour it. I just hit it on the floor a little bit. So the next thing, our cake is ready, guys. Look how yummy it is. Look at this. Tell me if this is not looking nice. Of course, look at this, our orange cake. It's ready, guys. So I just add a little bit. So now I'm just adding powdered sugar on the cake. So that is what I'm just doing right now as demonstrated on the video. Guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you for watching the video. Let's cut it and see what we have inside. Look how soft it is. Just look at this. Look at this. It's really, really, really delicious, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you on my next video. Bye.